let me show you few of the artworks or things we have taught in the other workshops. So this is a castle doodle which we have done a workshop earlier. This one is also a doodle. Then there is this landscape mandala. There is this unicorn doodle, winter doodle, and then there is this botanical doodle with mandala. There is this folk art. There is this Paris postcard with doodle. And let me show you few other artworks as well. So let me show you few of the oil pastels painting we have taught in our regular courses. This is one of an oil pastel painting. We have done it with oil pastels. This one is also with oil pastels. Then there is few with watercolors, I think. These are watercolors, soft pastels, again doodle, monogram. There are few of cards also which we have done with watercolors. So there is this illustration card, watercolor card, again one more watercolor card. So you can check out our regular courses, and we are going to launch our summer camp which is going to start. Yes, we are starting the session. First of all, everybody needs to open their file vertically like this. Next thing, we are going to first, in this Egyptian cap doodle, we are going to start with the borders. So we need to draw, we need to put scale and we need to draw border. Let me tell you how many centimeters. You can simply take 2 centimeters, okay? Take 2 centimeters and draw a straight line. One straight line. Now let me draw the other. Here. One straight line. Now from the third side, one more straight line. Okay, kids? Curve here and then one curve up. One curve down. So here, from here, first we need to draw a curve like this. Draw a small curve, kids. Then draw this V part and one more V part from here, okay? And join it with a curve. And from here you need to draw one more curve for the second cat. I hope all are able to do this step. Next thing, kids, we need to do is, from here we need to draw this straight line and this curvy part and then straight line. Okay? From here there will be this thin straight line, but it's going to be curved from here. Let me see how you all are drawing. So if you are done till here, you can hold your work in front of screen and I'll check it. From here, we need to draw one curve like this. And with this part also, we need to draw one curve like this. A part of it, you can take your black gel pen or micron pen of size number, I think, yeah, 5. Of size number 5, and you can start doing this border with like this circle and curve, like circular curve. If you are able to see these pattern, it's circle ke andar curve, round and like this, round and like this, round and like this. Okay. Ma'am cannot see it. Is it not visible? Is it visible now? This curve, circle and curve like this. I hope all are going to finish this pattern like this. Let me tell you some of the inside patterns also, how you can finish this inside pattern. So for the inside pattern, we need to use first sketch pen to just highlight few of the design, and then we'll use black pen. Okay. So let me see. The first thing we are going to add is, from here we need to draw a curve, and we need to parallelly draw it again. This one curve, and there is this one pattern again. There is this upper curve. There is a straight vertical line, and then from here also there is this straight vertical line. From here there is this curve. Then there is this curve again. And yeah, it's done. So this much we need to draw inside the cat part. These are the divided portion for the doodle. We are going to fill it with different doodles. So here in this, you just need to add slant lines. In this one, there will be again curvy lines, and yeah. Next thing we need to do is, here we need to add pattern after pattern. In this leg one, both sides there will be curves only. Some curves can be close, some can be little far. But here only we need to add curves, 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 curves. All of you have done really good work. Keep it up, all of you. If you are done, you can leave the meeting. If you have not done, you can take screenshot, kids. I have removed my hand and you can finish this at your home. So this is Egyptian cat doodle. You can simply finish this and share your artwork with us, tagging Piggy Ride and Art Nukkad, okay? You can check out our regular courses, and we are going to soon launch our summer camp, which is from 15th May to 30 May. So in the summer camp, there will be different kind of activities, all our activities on different days, which is going to be painting, doodle, craft with paper, ice cream stick, and some different kind of painting like finger painting, dot mandala. So you can check out our summer camp as well, okay? So if you are done, please leave the, you can leave the meeting. If you have any question, please write it in the chat box. Yes, from 15th May to 30 June. So it's especially for the summer vacations only. So this summer camp will last from 15th May to 30 June. Okay. Soon there will be email to you all. You can check out, and it will be live in 2-3 days on Piggy Ride as well. Okay. You can check out our regular courses like sketching and painting course for junior, sketching and painting course for senior, art and craft course, and doodle and folk art course. So they are 2-in-1 courses. You are going to learn sketching also, drawing also, and painting in all mediums like oil pastel, soft pastel, watercolor, poster colors, acrylic. Okay. You're welcome. Bye Nonit. Bye Mahi. You're welcome.